Hello CAD designers, my name is Alex and today I'm going to explain you how to optimize and organize your block templates in your AutoCAD. Before we start this tutorial, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to our channel where you'll find other tutorials to help you improve your design skills. Once you've finished watching this tutorial, please leave your comments and share this tutorial. Let's crack on. Point 1. Where to save the folder with your DWG templates. Well, along the years since I started working as a CAD designer, I used to have all sorts of problems. Freezing AutoCAD, crashed, losing a whole day of work sometimes. Really stressful, and this causes lots of time waste money, and lose your hair, right? So I learned that I had to understand a little bit about Windows as well, operating system, and how AutoCAD worked as well. So I end up finding out how to organize not only my AutoCAD but also Windows, so that would help the applications to crash. Alright, so where I save my DWG templates is where the operating system and the applications in AutoCAD is installed, right here on C drive, Windows. On this drive I have nothing but applications. On the users file folder I have no personal files, I have no professional files, I don't have any AutoCAD work saved in on this drive. Right, it's clean, it's only for applications and operating system. I found better to save my DWG blocks files on this folder where the updates and the AutoCAD add-ons are saved. Right, I create a folder. As you can see, dynamically blocked and objects, where I have my customized annotation and objects which I use in my drawings. And here I have the folders with the files of the templates, the DWG templates, right? As you can see, the door, windows, fixtures, furniture, plans, structure, and vehicles, right? They are all saved in here. All this collection of the objects, they are available for download on my website. I will tell you where to find these blocks of these objects to download later on. Okay, let's go to AutoCAD now. As you can see here, I have one of the files open. This is all my collection of doors. Some of these objects, they are dynamic, some others are not. For example, this one here, it's a sliding door. It's not dynamic. For example, all these other ones here, they are all dynamic. You can see there's an arrow, a few parameters. Alright. For example, this one here is a classic door. You can change it to a different door, a more sophisticated door. And this object, you can change the door width to any size you want, and the door lid height to any size you want as well. These blocks, they have the parameters and dimensions as standards for Australia, Brazil, Canada, Europe, United States, and United Kingdom, right? If you like to change the parameters, remove some or add more, I will explain soon how to do it in this tutorial. Okay. All these objects, they were created in metric system, millimeters. All right. Let's go to point 2 now. Change block names using command rename. Well, should you wish to change the names? Well, if you decide to do so, you're gonna have to, depends on how many blocks, objects you want to change the names, but 5, maybe over 100 objects, alright? But to do, you just have to type in rename command line, and then it will open this tiny window here with all the objects within AutoCAD. For example, here we have abbreviated extension external French door elevation, which is this door here, as you can see. So should you wish to change the name, well, just type the name you would like to, click on rename to, OK, and you have to do one by one whatever you like. Bear in mind, this is a very important point. If you change the name of the object, it should not be the same name as the file name. The reason is because AutoCAD will have a conflict of information, because the file name and the object name is the same. However, AutoCAD doesn't understand the meanings. So let's say you decide to put French door, 2 words, and here separate words, and you put here on the file name French doors and a single line word. So you will understand what it means, but AutoCAD will understand they are 2 different things. Okay, so you can do that. If you do the same name, it won't work. Whenever you try to import some different drawing, it won't work. You can try, it won't work. It will never be able to import unless you come to this file, select the object, click Ctrl C, and go to open the other drawing where you're working to, Ctrl V, and then you will be able to import the drawing to that, import the object to that drawing. Using the 2 palettes, you won't be able, or import using insert, where is it? Okay, insert, yes, that's right. If you decide to use this bit here, go after the file and browse until you get to the folder. If you try to import, it won't work. You will not accept that AutoCAD will conflict the information. Okay, let's go to point number 3. Changing drawing units. Well, this whole collection here, not only this collection but all the other objects, windows, doors, furniture, whatever, they are all created in metric system, metric measurement system, in millimeters. Alright, so if you work in Imperial you can change, but you will need to do one by one. Again, over 100 objects to do so. Fortunately, AutoCAD is a very intelligent software, so you don't need to do that. You can keep it the way it is and set up your AutoCAD to work accordingly to this drawing. But you cannot have different objects with different measurement system. You cannot have with imperial and some metric, or even imperial in inches, the other drawn in imperial foot. Because once you try to import, it will import all in different scale. It won't be proportional to the plan. Alright? So if you decide to change the units, you come here, click, select the object, click, direct click, right click. You have these options here. Do not click on this one. This one, you open the object to edit the object within this window here. So you will be able to see all these drawings, but you won't be able to change anything on these drawings. You will be able only to use this drawing. This is for when you need to change a block and you want to compare to another object, so you can open and compare to the other one, so you can work at the same time, right? But you won't be able to edit any of these ones, just this one. If you click on this one, edit block in place, it will eliminate all the parameters of the dynamic block. It means that once you open, this dynamic block won't be a dynamic block anymore. But if you want to change anything, you have to do here, block editor. Alright? So let's change the units. To do so, you have to click on properties. Right here, down here you have units. You can select the system, the measurement system you want to. Okay, there's a long list here of measurements. If you like to change some of the parameters, for example, you want to add some measurements, or you want to remove some of the measurements, the door leaf dimensions, you just select the parameter, and actually you cannot click the arrow, right? You have to click right here. See, this tiny bit here. So once you click there, see the whole thing selected. So you will be able to see here value set. This type list. In here we have all the measurements of this door, the door leaf. If you want to add any other, just type in the dimension, size, add, or if you want to remove some of them, just select the dimension you want to delete, click delete, OK, and job done. Alright, so this part here we are finished. You have to move now to point number 4. Setting up 2 palettes. 2 palettes is this palette here on the side. I have here everything that I have to use in my drawings. The benefits of setting up 2 palettes is that you don't need to save all these objects in a single file. Some people, they like to save all these objects in a file where they work when they are creating geometries for a new house plan or whatever. No? If you do so, then your file will be very heavy, large, and it may cause the AutoCAD to crash. You may lose your time, stress, and lose hair again. So to avoid that, I would recommend you to keep it just the way it is now. How I keep separate files, separate folders, files, and all the blocks here organized nicely. So I have here all the objects. So I have here the annotations, the accessories, toilets, bathtubs, shower cubicles, whatever. I have here furniture, doors, windows, structure, bits, half-page brando, Parker steel, some other type of steel profiles like Kingspan or Catenic, and some of the standard palettes that came with AutoCAD. It came with not more, but I removed them, and as I want to customize the AutoCAD and add more objects, right? To customize the two palettes, you just click here, customize palette, and here you can right click new palette, and you will open new palette that will show later then. And here will come all this list of palette groups that came with originally with the AutoCAD, which I have removed. I didn't use them. Now I have used only my drawings, right? So if you want to create this and make your life easier, because it will help you a lot. To organize the palettes, it comes with these options: separator and the text. To add the separating text, you just right click and drop down menu, and you see here add text or separator. And then you can add separate things like sanitary things, kitchen, security, heating, or whatever you like. Like I have here, all the doors, partition doors, cupboards, accessories, and keep it nice and easy to find everything here in your AutoCAD. And the same way you will make your project file smaller and better to work with, right? To add the object, just select the object here, Ctrl C, then you can come here, just hold over the two palette and will open, Ctrl V, and there it is, external door, external French door. If you want to drag up, you just click left click and hold and drag up. That's it, job done. In this case I don't need this door, I will delete it. Alright, so that's how you organize your two palettes. Very recommended. To do, it will help you save a lot of time. Okay, let's go now adjusting your workspace to import these blocks to your project. Okay, here we have this floor plan, which is, let's change here architectural so you can see exactly what is the size. 23 foot by 17 foot. Let's say I want to import a toilet. See, it's the right size. Because the insertion scale is inches, right? As you can see here. However, the drawings, they are in millimeters. If you keep this inches, it will work normally. If you're working on the dimension, just change this bit here according to the measurement system you use. Right? So this drawing here is being drawing foot, but in inches. I mean, sorry. However, the measurements here I told you foot, but this was drawn in inches. So we have here inches, and if you type in options, then for some reason it's wrong here. Yeah, so you keep in millimeters there. It will work here perfectly for you. So you can import the toilet. Let's say we want to import a bed. This is a dynamic door, bed, king size bed, so it adapts to the existing drawing, so you don't need to use any other tool to manipulate the object inside this drawing. Very simple to use. It will help you save a lot of time. Alright, so this is all you need to know. This collection of CAD blocks are available for purchase on our website for only $10 American dollars. You can find a link to our website below this tutorial. I hope this video has been of use for you. Subscribe to our channel. That's AutoCAD Designers and Success.